Do you know why people from all across the world love the city of San Francisco? Because it has everything: history, culture, universities, opportunities, and a home for everyone. Welcome to your next home at 1449 Powell Residences. Nestled in the heart of San Francisco, the student housing offers a variety of single and shared rooms. Entering your bedroom greets you with a cozy bed, study desk, wardrobe, vanity, and windows illuminating the house with natural light. The bathroom comes with a rainfall shower, and the shared kitchen is just waiting for you to cook the best meals of your life. Work from home or binge watch, the free Wi-Fi has got you covered. And the laundry couldn't be any easier with an on-site facility. Moreover, you can enjoy with your homies in the common area or hang out with them stepping out of the house to the haven of restaurants and bars just across the street. You can walk to the San Francisco Art Institute in 15 minutes, and the Hult International Business School is also just a short walk away. Within 4 minutes, you can find many bus stops down the street. So just explore the city of dreams on foot or on 4 wheels. There's just no way to say no. Sounds appealing, right? Why wait? Just book spot today at amberstudent.com.